Hello and welcome to today's easy guide where I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube search history on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC and go to youtube.com. If you want to delete only a single search, tap on the YouTube search bar. A list with all your latest searches will appear. Just click Remove next to the search keyword you want to delete, and it will be removed. If you want to delete your entire search history, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, go to your data in YouTube. Then, here scroll down to YouTube Search History, and tap on Manage your YouTube Search History. Here you can delete your search history. Just tap on Delete, and a drop-down list will appear where you can select the period you want to delete. You can choose Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time. Once you've made your selection, tap on Delete to confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.